and welcome to Easy English Mike, where we make learning English easy and fun. I'm Michael. I'm a British English mother tongue teacher, and I'm a strong believer of making the learning process simple and easy. And I hate it when people overcomplicate things. And I think it should be fun. I have a good sense of humour, or at least I think so. I love photography, videography, and I'm quite creative. So in this channel, I try to put all of these together. I've taught hundreds of students of all ages, levels, and needs, from exam preparation to simple fluency or pronunciation or whatever. I hope my videos put a smile on your face and let you learn something on the way. So if you like smiling and learning, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.